Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Graduate Engineering Programs Information session. I am Jessie Kraswell. I'm the graduate recruiter for the School of Engineering. Today, we will talk about our programs, our student and faculty, our industry partners, career development, and how to apply. Through our School of Engineering, we offer 6 engineering master's degrees, 6 engineering certificates. Additionally, we offer 4 software master's degrees, including our brand new AI program that was started in 2024 and our 8 software certificate programs. We do host a separate information session for those. So if you are interested in that, please reach out to us and we can send you the link to our next session. Our 6 engineering master's degrees are electrical and computer engineering, manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, regulatory science, systems engineering, and engineering management. Additionally, we offer 6 engineering certificates. All of our certificate programs consist of 4 to 5 classes that take about a year's time to complete. Many students will choose to add a certificate onto one of our master's programs. Some classes may overlap. Um, so it will take a little bit longer to complete if you are adding that on. But here is a list of all of our certificates here on the screen. Here at the University of St. Thomas, we have an expansive and ever-growing alumni community who has been a really big part of our program's growth. Company partnerships and vibrant community. Our programs are 100% faculty taught. There are no teaching assistants running the classes, and these programs are designed for busy working professionals with evening courses available. Most students finish our graduate programs within 2 to 2.5 years. We offer more than 30 electives, so you truly have the opportunity to customize the program to focus mostly what you're interested in. Now let's take a closer look into each of our programs. Our newly regimented MS in Electrical and Computer Engineering offers 4 distinct concentrations. Each concentration includes 6 courses, followed up by 4 technical electives, allowing students to tailor the program to their specific interests and career goals. Our industry-oriented, career-focused graduate programs blends advanced theory and research with practical engineering fundamentals. Courses are developed with significant input from the industry-leading professionals and are taught by faculty who have either currently practicing engineers or bring extensive real-world experience into the classroom. This program is led by Dr. Chol Hung Min. This is the MS in Manufacturing Engineering program. Equips professionals from engineering, science, and liberal arts backgrounds with skills needed to excel in engineering management and leadership roles through the study of industry best practices and innovative concepts applied with real-world manufacturing and service environments. Students develop the practical expertise and confidence to manage daily operations effectively and make strategic, data-driven decisions. The program is led by Tiffany Ling, the program director of the Manufacturing Engineering program. Next, we have the MS in Mechanical Engineering. Is designed for individuals seeking to advance their engineering knowledge, analytical tools, and practical application skills. Coursework spans key areas including energy and power systems, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and product design, modeling, simulation, materials, and manufacturing. This program does offer 2 distinct tracks based on the student's academic background, providing flexibility while ensuring strong technical foundations. Students who hold a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering complete 4 courses in analysis category and 4 courses in the design category, followed by 2 additional elective courses. Students without a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering begin with 4 foundational core courses, then select 3 elective courses from the different categories and 3 from the design category. The flexible structure allows students to tailor their program to their experience level and professional goals. This program is led by Dr. Thomas Secord. He is the program director for mechanical engineering. Next, we have the MS Regulatory Science program. It is designed for professionals seeking to transition into the field of regulatory science, as well as early career regulatory professionals who want to deepen their and broaden their understanding of regulatory requirements and compliance strategies. The curriculum provides a comprehensive coverage of key areas, including regulatory submissions, clinical studies, quality systems, international regulatory pathways, medical device manufacturing, combination products, and other critical regulatory topics. Students gain both technical knowledge and practical insight needed to navigate the complex regulatory environments effectively. This program is led by Mariel Lyncher, Program Director of Regulatory Science. The MS in System Engineering program is an application-oriented and designed to support the transition from domain-specific engineering to systems engineering. It is intended for professionals responsible for designing, developing, and managing large, complex systems across a wide range of industries. The curriculum places strong emphasis on system design, verification and validation, simulation, and project management. Students develop a technical, analytical, and leadership skills to be able to oversee complex systems, life cycles, and driven cross-functional collaboration. This program is led by Dr. Bob Monson, Program Director of Systems Engineering. The MS in Engineering Management program is designed for professionals seeking to advance their leadership roles within technology-driven organizations. The program equips students with strategic mindset, leadership capabilities needed to manage teams, projects, and complex technical initiatives effectively. Through the combination of core elective courses, students develop strategic thinking and visioning skills, build fluency in key business operations beyond the technical expertise, and gain proficiency in process and tools required to manage complex technologies across the wide range of industries. The program is led by Brad Reinbold, Program Director of Engineering Management. Many people considering graduate education are especially interested in career opportunities available after graduation. On the screen is a list of some of the top 10 employers in Minnesota for our engineering graduates. Several you may recognize. Again, many partner companies are going to seem similar. They have a great experience hiring our previous graduates and are always excited to see more Tommies. We take career development very seriously with our own Office of Planning and Counseling, individualized career coaching, and Tommy specific job postings. These resources continue after graduation for our alumni community as well. To give you some insight on what our classrooms look like, our average class size is about 10 students. So that small class size leads to really close relationships with faculty with individualized attention. The average age of our students is 32. We have a wonderful international community here on campus with international students making up 31% of the student body, 34% students identify as women, and 46 identify as students of color. Our programs are very intentionally designed for busy working professionals. We have 3 start terms, fall, spring, and summer. We offer co-flex classes where you can be in person or virtual. We do not follow a cohort model, so if you need to take time off, you are not bound to a schedule of the cohort. And most importantly, our programs are designed for both those who have studied these subjects previously, as well as career changers. Our classes meet once a week. In the evening, students typically finish, again, our programs within 2 to 2.5 years and take 2 courses on average per semester. Now we can walk through the application process. We try to make our application process simple as possible. We require all applicants to have a bachelor's degree with a GPA of a 2.7 or higher on a 4.0 scale. If you do not meet the GPA requirement, please reach out to us. We're happy to talk through extenuating circumstances that may have impacted your GPA. To verify your degree, we do require transcripts from any school that you attended for college. If you started at one school and transferred to where you graduated from, we will require official transcripts from both. In order for the transcript to be considered official, it has to come from the university or issuing system, such as Parchment or National Student Clearinghouse, directly to St. Thomas. We cannot accept scanned copies and cannot come from you. Additionally, if you completed a degree outside of the United States, we will require a course-by-course evaluation from a NACCES member organization such as IEE or WES. Again, this evaluation has to be sent directly to us from the issuing institution. It cannot be a copy or a scan. Next, we ask for a resume or a CV, so please make sure this is up to date and includes all your work experience. There is an essay component to the application. This is meant as your opportunity to share with the admissions committee why you're interested in pursuing the program. As I mentioned earlier, we have a wonderful international community here on campus. There are a few additional requirements for our international applicants. We talked about the application portion. Anyone who has completed a degree outside of the United States is required to submit a foreign equivalency evaluation from a NACCES member organization such as IEE or WES. This has to be sent directly to the university from the issuing institution. We also require proof of English proficiency, a few more components. They're not factored into the admissions process, but rather required before students are able to register for courses. We have 3 different application deadlines depending on your individual circumstance. As you can see here, the deadlines differ if you are a domestic applicant, an international applicant but already on U.S. soil, an international applicant who is living abroad. The deadlines are different because of processing times and visa requirements. If the deadline for the term you wish to apply for is already passed, we do have entry terms each semester. We accept applications on a rolling basis, so once you've completed your application, including all official transcripts and evals, we will issue a decision within 2 to 4 weeks' time. Our cost for tuition is $1,350 per credit. Our master's degree is coming out to be about $40,500, and our certificates programs vary tuition costs based on the program you select. We are often asked how students are funding their education here. About 40% of our students are financing their education using a company tuition benefit. Many companies offer the employee benefit. If you are not sure if your company does, we encourage you to look into that. About 30% of our students are using some type of financial aid. Our designated financial aid represents contact information is on the screen. If you have any questions related to federal financial aid, we encourage you to reach out to her. Outside those 2 main funding options, some students are funding their education through outside scholarships and grants. Hopefully, after hearing all that, you're feeling excited and ready to apply. You can scan the QR code on the screen to get started. Our contact information is also listed at the bottom. You are always welcome to email gradengineering@stthomas.edu with any questions. That inbox is monitored daily, so we are happy to help any way we can. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope to see your application soon.